And those are the details flashing on your screens. India to tour South Africa for 3 tests and 3 ODIs, and possibly those matches have now been cancelled, is the initial information we are receiving. India was all set to tour South Africa for 3 tests and 3 ODIs, T20Is, but now it'll be played later, is what BCCI Secretary Jai Shah has confirmed. Team India will not travel to South Africa at this point. BCCI is confident of a bio bubble created by South Africa. I'm sorry. So the information that is primarily coming in is that the T20Is will be played later. Really awaiting more information on the same, to what the BCCI's position is and whether the matches will be played later. If yes, at what point? And this, of course, is given the Omicron alert. And South Africa is a risk country. Although BCCI is stating that a bio bubble has been created. But does this mean that the matches have not been postponed for very long? BCCI is confident of the safety and security and saying that Team India will travel to South Africa. So, Aneri, if I can come to you on this, are they postponing the matches, or are they saying that it is safe and secure for Team India to play against South Africa? Aneri, if you can hear me, really wanting more clarity on this, the decision that BCCI has taken at this point, because South Africa is certainly a risk country, and given the Omicron threat, will it be safe to send our players there to play the matches? At one end, the BCCI is saying that they have created a secure and safe bubble, but also information coming in of the matches having been postponed. Please clarify on this. On the same, and thank you, Mr. Dhumal, for speaking to Republic. Really seeking more clarity on the same, sir. Will the match continue, or has it been postponed?
Which match? See, like I told you, India A team is already there in...
Arun Dhumal, if you can hear me, wanting to understand if Team India will travel to South Africa and the BCCI is confident of the bio bubble that has been created by South Africa,
yes.
Or is it been decided that the matches be postponed?
It may be postponed by few days, but we are wanting to play Test cricket and ODI, and we will postpone T20 games for some other time. That is what has been discussed so far. Since the team is traveling by charter plane, and we made sure that they are staying in 2 hotels only, which would be biosecure bubble, and there will be no crowd be allowed. That is what has been worked out.
So can you give us more clarity, sir, on when the matches will be played, given the situation at this point, and scientists also coming out with further information on the Omicron threat and more clarity that we can expect in the weeks to come. So what is the BCCI deciding as far as the games are concerned?
BCCI will come out with that schedule shortly.
All right, Arun Dhumal there speaking to Republic on the T20Is, and the one thing he is confirming that the games will be played later. Although BCCI also saying that South Africa has created a safe bio bubble and that the BCCI is confident of. Shivani, if I can come to you, because we're really trying to get more clarity on what is going to be the next move as far as the BCCI is concerned, and will Team India be allowed to play? So we do understand that the matches have been postponed. Having said that, the BCCI is also seeming confident of the bio bubble that has been created by South Africa at this point.
Sweta, we know that if we talk about the Omicron and the way it is spreading, especially in the countries like South Africa, so Indian authorities, including the BCCI, they are quite cautious of the matches that would be played, and that's why they have planned to postpone the T20 tour that was coming up. And now they also say that they are very confident that they want to go about with utmost care, like what has been done, what we've seen after the second wave. The bio bubble was created, the players got checked.
So now once again the BCCI, when it is deciding upon postponing the T20, they will also create a bio bubble so that the Omicron threat can be averted.